Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandi Rose, if you did not know, and today I am going to be doing a little vlog. Probably not going to be a lot of filming that I can do because I'm going to a photo shoot. Today I am shooting with TNZ Agency. They basically are a brand and marketing company that helps models and I think mainly models, brand ambassadors, people of that nature brand themselves on social media. So I decided to hire them for the next 6 months, so we're just gonna see how things go. But right now I just left Greenville maybe like 10-15 minutes ago. It's only 12:51. My shoot is at 3:30, so I'm most likely gonna get there around 2:50, 3 o'clock. So let me get back to this road so I can stay in between the lines, and I'll see you guys later.
Perfect.
So we are at Shaken Crab? I don't know, something Shaken Crab. Y'all know I love getting crab legs when I go to Georgia area, Atlanta area. And of course, she finally decided to show up. Anywho, the shoot went great. You guys saw behind the scenes. I can't wait to see the pictures. I'm not really gonna do much today. This is gonna be a real short vlog. This is my food. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. Crawfish, shrimp, crab legs, potatoes, corn. I finally made it home. I'm high-key tired. The shoot was great. I don't know. I was a little concerned at first, like how everything was gonna work before I even got there. I was concerned with hiring an agency as a branding, because it's something new and I don't know like how it would go or anything like that, and everything went well. Like I think TNZ gave me a great overlook of what I need to do with my brand, what I need to do moving forward. So I'm actually really excited. Before I was excited, even though I didn't work with them until the day, but I was nervous and excited. But now I'm happy. I'm excited to see how the results of the photo shoot from today looks like. I'm probably not gonna post this video until the pictures come out so you guys can see it after I finish talking. But yeah, I feel like everything's working in my favor. Everything is working out for me. I'm getting more bookings. Life is good. I'm sorry this was kind of a really short video, but thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. Make sure you like, comment below. What do you use to market yourself? What is your brand? What is your niche? What helps you get more clientele? Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you to the next video.